Hello, everyone. Get ready because we are rolling out some rhythmic revelry. It's time for kitchen syncopation fun as we are cooking it with the Jammin Chefs.
All right, easy. Once this is all set up, let's go ahead and preheat these ovens to 350 degrees. Thank you so much. Hello, everybody. Welcome. Don't be shy. Come right up. Thank you so much. I hope you all brought our appetite. If we're hungry and ready for a delicious meal, let me hear you say, yes, chef. That's what I like to hear. All right, now let's get this kitchen set up as well. Oh yeah, the Daisy, that's going to be a little bit too low. It's going to turn out just a tiny bit. Perfect. Thank you. All right, Chip, this is going to be at the low boil. Thank you very much. All right, Dale. Put that at a high simmer. Wonderful. Yes, give it a good stir. Wonderful. Clarabelle, and hit that with some salt and pepper. Wonderful. Chip, you're right on it. Love that. Yeah, that might be enough stirring, Dale. Maybe add some paprika. Wonderful. All right, let's see. This is smelling good so far. Yes, perfect. We're going to stir that one. That one needs more stirring for sure. Yes, Clarabelle. All right. Good thought. That's right. Perfect. Excellent. You want to get over here, chef? Let me get over here, chef. Let me get over here. All right. Hello, everyone. I am Executive Chef Gorgon Zola.
The Big G!
We are the Jammin Chefs, and we're extremely proud to be here today at the Food and Wine Festival to present a cooking demonstration of the 3 unique elements featured in my cuisine. Welcome to Executive Chef Gorgon Zola's Rolling Kitchen! As I was saying, my sous chefs here, each experts in their own specialty. Ready?
Yes, chef.
Heard!
Yes, chef.
Alright, now I'm going to introduce my 3 amazing sous chefs. First up, we have the chef who has a wild passion for all things spicy, Chef Jalapeno. Woo! Excellent taste. Next up, we have the chef who specializes in the smooth roll and simmer, Chef Alfredo. Comfort food at its finest. And last and certainly not least, we have the chef who brings the texture and the satisfying crunch, Chef Pop E. Core. Absolutely stunning. See, these 3 measure up to my high standards because here we don't just celebrate food, we elevate food. Yes. And helping us today with our kitchen preparations are our 2 lovely kitchen assistants, Daisy Duck and Clarabelle Cow. And of course, we have our 2 eager apprentices, Chip and Dip. Oh, I'm so sorry. Chip and Delicious. And today I will lead this cast iron crew in demonstrating our twist on a classic, rat-tat-tat-too. Now, pay close attention. As executive chef, my years of experience have led me to advice that is sound. This is why I've assembled this talented team to help demonstrate how to create the perfect blend of spice, sauce, and texture. With techniques that require precision, stamina, and speed. My crew! this? Everyone back to your stations.
Yes, chef.
My team, seasoned professionals, who relish a good joke.
Wow.
Hey, it was good enough in rehearsals. Anyway, back to Ratatouille, a singing tradition of France. Now, to begin any good recipe, we must all work together as a team, and generally I run a very strict kitchen. But today, as a treat, my sous chefs will cook up a storm! Oh yes, please join me in the kitchen. Yes, please! Make some noise for my crew! Come on, show them some love! Aren't they fantastic? I cannot ask for a better team. And I'm going to let you know a little secret. Everything that you see and everything that you hear is 100% solely to do with me. One thing you'll never find about the kitchen is a chip monkey business. I don't know what that is, but I'll allow it. Oh, yeah. Hey, how's it going? How's it going, birthday boy? What is your favorite food of all time? All time. I just know this is gonna be my day. Hey! This is not what I taught you. This is a recipe for disaster. Oh man, I'm not the big cheese, am I? I just stink, don't I? It's got too much sauce, too much spice, too much crunch, not enough crunch. How do you manage? Taste?
Well.
It's masterful. It's beautiful. It's magic. See, we all get together to create something even better than the original. This is the moment we've been waiting for. We add a spoon of crunch and spice and turn it into something more. It might not seem like they go together, but there's something that you may not know. If you sprinkle in a little bit of magic and keep it off. Whoa! I don't really know what to call it. I just know that it tastes really good. What about crunchy munchy? Yeah, I don't think we should. Maybe we could try something that was a bit closer to a spicy surprise. Cooking up, cooking up. Cooking up the Jammin Chefs. Thank you all so much. And thank you, my crew. See, we may have different rhythms, but when everyone asks what they love for the recipe, it's kitchen syncopation. Now go enjoy and taste everything because food, like life, is a celebration. Thank you all so much. Thank you, chefs.
Cooking with the Jammin Chefs. We hope you enjoyed a delicious day at Disney California Adventure Food and Wine Festival.